What's going on? Today we are replacing the headlights on a Mercedes S550. For this procedure, you definitely have to remove the bumper, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I got all the 10 millimeters off right here, and just removing this one on this side, I should have enough room to kind of just swing it out. Let's see. Maybe not a lot, so what I'll do is also remove this bolt right here. After removing this 8 millimeter, this 8 millimeter, and this 10 millimeter, I'm able to get the light out. We got the headlight removed. This is the bulb right here. Remove it, you're just going to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. But it's best to remove the connector before removing the bulb. It'll be a little bit easier.
Through the day till the stars appear, crafting machines that ride with cheer.